This video is made by DIETARY from lignanssupplement.com. As you may have noticed on the website lignanssupplement.com, the product we feature, Fountain of Life, is made of lignans extracted from Norwegian spruce, which made it a high-performing antioxidant. I am making this video to go over the frequently asked questions about Fountain of Life FOL. What is the Fountain of Life FOL? It is an extract from the Norwegian spruce tree, Picea abies. It is a natural antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory nutritional functional food supplement. What is an antioxydant? It is a substance that protects healthy cells by destroying free radicals. Free radicals are natural byproducts of chemical processes, such as metabolism, processing of food, and are believed to contribute to aging and certain diseases. To neutralize free radicals, your body uses antioxidants, such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, folic acid, and selenium, that come from your food. What is an antimicrobial? It is a chemical that reduces the spread of germs including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. What is an anti-inflammatory? It is a substance that reduces swelling and pain in the body. By blocking elements in the body that cause swelling is called anti-inflammatory. What is the Fountain of Life made of? Ingredients: Norwegian spruce extract, Picea abies, and trimethylene glycol, a derivative of non-GMO corn sugar. This high content of plant lignans and other powerful antioxidants found in Fountain of Life drops come from the potent, proprietary extract of the Norwegian spruce tree, which is known to carry extensive amounts of health benefits. What are lignans? Lignans are fiber-associated compounds found in the cells of plants that are readily present in the human diet and are found in a wide variety of plant foods and drinks such as tea, coffee, or wine. The highest quality of lignans have been discovered in the Norwegian spruce tree. What is 7-HMR? 7-HMR or 7-hydroxymatazanol in FOL is a lignan abundant in various concentrations in plant-based foods, whereas the Fountain of Life FOL manufactured. It is manufactured in Toronto, Canada. Is Fountain of Life tested? Before Fountain of Life leaves the manufacturing facility, the extract undergoes a three-step protocol including testing. At the extraction facility, testing is performed to determine the lignan concentration. It is also tested for trace elements including heavy metals, as trees grow in a variety of soil conditions. Once approved, it is shipped to the manufacturing facility. At the Health Canada approved facility, it undergoes a visual inspection and filtered to ensure that there are no natural particulates from the extraction once bottled, as sample is tested at a third-party facility to ensure that there are no microbes in the final product. Once passed, it is shipped out for distribution. How does one take the Fountain of Life FOL? The Fountain of Life can be taken orally in a drop directly under the tongue or in a carrier such as water, yogurt, tea, wine. It can also be applied topically, on the skin. How long does a bottle last? A bottle of the Fountain of Life is 30 milliliters and can last anywhere from 30 days to 40 days depending on your needs. How does Fountain of Life work in the body? Fountain of Life is a plant lignan antioxidant. It is quickly converted in the plasma of our blood to enterolactone, a mammalian antioxidant. This conversion is important as this allows our body to utilize Fountain of Life to neutralize the overwhelming free radicals that can lead to chronic inflammation. Does the Fountain of Life FOL cure diseases, illness, ailments? No. Fountain of Life is not a cure, but it improves the quality of your life by preserving and protecting your health. How will I know that the Fountain of Life FOL is working? You will notice the changes over time. How immediate differs in each individual, as for some people it is instant, while others it takes a bit longer, and yet others may not feel anything, yet it is working internally. Can I overdose on the Fountain of Life FOL? No, you cannot. Fountain of Life is not a drug, so overdosing is not possible. However, testing was conducted to establish a toxicity level. The researchers could not find a toxicity level even using 2,600 mg per kilogram body weight, when testing the lignan 7-hydroxymatazanol. Fountain of Life is very safe product. Since its introduction, over 150,000 people have used Fountain of Life in over 100 countries with no reported incidences. Incredibly safe, there is no toxicity level established. Fountain of Life is a functional food and not a drug, as it replaces the lignans that have been processed out of our diets. Can I give the Fountain of Life (FOL) to my children? The company regulator's advice: since children were not part of the research, it is not recommended. Can a pregnant or breastfeeding woman take Fountain of Life (FOL)? The company regulator's advice: since pregnant and breastfeeding mothers were not part of the research, it is not recommended. Can I take other supplements alongside Fountain of Life (FOL)? It is not recommended that you do, as Fountain of Life may affect the efficacy of the other supplements. Is there any side effects if we stop taking FOL? Fountain of Life is not a drug or medication. Side effects are associated with medication and not food supplements. If you stop taking FOL, your body will most likely revert to its former state, as many have stated when they have not ordered FOL before their supply ran out. Chronic issues may return as free radicals will continue to bombard our system and create a chronic inflammatory state. However, there are no side effects related to Fountain of Life during or after taking it. Where can I purchase the Fountain of Life (FOL), and how much does it cost? You can purchase Fountain of Life via our link at lignanssupplement.com. To get the bottle from our website, lignanssupplement.com, you just click on the quantity button that will direct you to the purchase site, where you sign up and add the product to your cart. Simply follow the instructions. For information, the price shown is in Canadian dollars. Wherever you are in the world, your parcel will be delivered to your doorstep. If you follow the link and purchase in the description below, you will receive a bonus guide from us. It's a premium guide on how to boost your immune system with food. We've got recipes information too. Let me just scroll through this so you can kind of get a sense of how much is in here, and this is one of additional resources you get. I really hope you try Fountain of Life (FOL) through our link. You can message me in the comments if you have any questions, and go to lignanssupplement.com. I'll put the link in the description so you can get your bottles with us. So that's it for the video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. This is Dazatu Akuma from lignanssupplement.com. Meet you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.